Yeah. At least the sun's not in our face now. Yeah. What?
We're fucked. We got too close to him. I can't go much farther than this with this rifle.
Yeah. Josh.
What?
Oh, that's crazy.
Did you just hit the same guy?
Yeah. I don't know, I gotta... Josh, I'm coming over! Alex! Want me to move the mine? Josh, I'm gonna go move the mine. Copy! Tank's moving up. I took out the mine.
I'm out.
You are?
There's a guy directly out there. No cover. No, I haven't.
Oh, I see. You serious? Josh, get back, get back, get back. I hit that guy like 5 times.
Huh?
I think so, at least. I don't know.
I got full screen. Alex, 9 o'clock in the building.
I think it only makes sense to have one gunner in there. Hey, Nick! Coming up behind you.
There's a landmine about 20 feet in front of us. Nick.
I think you're going to be more effective, Nick, if you're out.
Alex, are you good? And there's 2 dead ones in front. The VAR got killed.
Copy.
This guy's dead right now.
Closest to you should be full, Alex.
Hey, Nick.
Yeah.
It makes more sense. You can't really do much from the back, so I think you should get out and help on the ground. If Alex gets shot at, we can switch it. Hey, I'm going to go move that landmine.
Okay, there's one guy that...
Go on your knees. Go on your knees.
Yeah, stay low, you'll be good.
I'll keep you covered. Don't worry.
We got Germans
Oh my God.
way up on our right at 1 o'clock.
Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. Wait, is that a German?
That's a German in the road.
All right, I'm going, I'm going. We're clear! Ooh, it's slippery, dude. You should close that door.
What?
Close that door. Shit. We still got guys in Tin City? Is Tin City completely cleared? Are you German? Okay. Is it clear? Okay.
We got the flag. We're good. Oh, we got tokens too. Where am I supposed to go? Towards the castle. I'm coming to the tower.
Has Has the tank been killed yet at all?
No.
Dang, we're doing pretty good.
Oh no, that guy, he missed by, he just ricocheted off the tree when he was over in that fence over there.
Yeah.
If somebody wanted to switch with me, because my back's getting sore, so didn't.
All right. We took out Tin City. We need to go up and around to get to that airfield, I think.
Yep.
That was the plan, so we'll escort you.
We have to get to the mortar, let's go.
Yep. And we can go that way now. If we got this all secured, I'll drive up and around.
Alex, watch left. Left side! Rush in!
I'll let our guys kind of catch up to us, and then I'll take this little snaky curve to the end of the road. Okay, yep, there we go.
Watch those trenches! Rush in! Top of bunker! Top of bunker! Top of bunker!
Oh, yeah. Yep, I see him.
How's that guy not dead yet?
Sniper at 9 o'clock.
Sniper in the tower, too. How to beat it?
The two makes closest to you, Alex.
Okay.
How are we not hitting that guy?
This sniper is just, he's going to pick at our guys. If our guys can stay and use this for cover, we'll be able to pass by him.
He's not dead, he's not dead.
Okay, he's just
Move up, move up, move up.
Drive it forward, drive it forward! Watch the left, watch the left. Oh. He's still behind that bunker. Ooh. Nick is down. Nick just run back to Tin.
You can go to the farm now, right?
Oh yeah, farm.
Alright, be careful. You got a sniper in the tower and...
We have guy right there in the opening of the trenches. Right there.
He knows how to use the tree.
Yeah. I guess he went to the other side now.
Someone move. Up there, you think?
We got one guy just chilling in a bunker, and I think we have another Russian right over there in that opening of the trenches.
Yep, there's the Russian there I saw ahead. Where's the one that's holding you up?
He is directly right in front of the, he's in a bunker right.
There's a guy in the tower, too.
Yeah.
Okay, Troy,
Yep.
it's time for the special stuff.
Time for special stuff?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, right? Airball field?
Yep.
All right,
Go all the way there?
We'll escort him.
right down. Keep your squad here. Keep them pinned down.
Copy that. Josh! Get into cover, Josh. Josh, loop around like this. He's in the opening of the trench. Yeah. I can't really do anything about that. I'm pinned. Going. Come my way. Nick! Oh! Watch it, Nick. We got a guy under this tower. Hit! Ah, right in the face mask.